It's a 2008 Acura TSX, a race-derived suspension system, a cabin perfectly balanced between indulgent and sport. This TSX is modern luxury. It comes with all the amenities you need: AM/FM satellite radio, front heated leather bucket seats, wireless phone connectivity, power sliding and tilting sunroof, inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, performance sound system, dual zone climate control, front wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Road and track rights. When you shut the doors, you can tell by the sound that it's a well-built car. One that also boasts a drag coefficient of 0.27, a large trunk, and laudable EPA fuel economy figures of 22 mpg city, 31 mpg highway. Luxury, performance, Acura. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Contact Jim Ellis Volkswagen of Atlanta today or stop on by. We're conveniently located inside I-285 on Peachtree Industrial.